I think he was a very hard judge of his own work, and he was a complainer with his poetry. So the nature of the complaining means that he was part of a movement in poetry. And I understand from, it was communicated to me by Laser Greenberg, I don't know if you know who that is, that there was a movement right after the First World War in poetry generally. A big modernism was coming in. And Moyshe-Leyb is sort of the example of modernism in Yiddish poetry. And I remember when I was a graduate student at MIT, Laser Greenberg came by and took the trouble to tell me that my father had died, that there was this seething in the poetry business worldwide, and that there's no question that the modernist in the Yiddish poetry was Moyshe-Leyb. And that, had he lived, there'd be soon a Poetry Nobel Prize in some language or other, in that from his insights, because he moved around in literature business generally, not just Jewish stuff, Moyshe-Leyb would have stood a good chance to get the Nobel Prize for modernist trends in world poetry.